What's going on, everyone? We're going to take a look at DraftKings. It's going to be a very short video. Pretty much we closed flat on the day, closed at $19.08. What I'm looking at here on DraftKings was a hold of this 20-day moving average as well as a 10-day moving average. If you kind of see the price action, you look at this wick here, buyers stepped in, definitely pushed this back up over the 5-day moving average, which is technically bullish here. Now, until DraftKings starts to lose $18.33, we have to kind of continue to give the bulls the benefit of the doubt. If you kind of just look to the left, look how long we've been trading with inside this range. Bottom of the range being around $17, top of the range, absolute top of this range, has been about $20 here. So going back to February the 24th, all the way to present day, which is 4/4, you can see that we have not been doing a whole lot of anything. We're really going to need to get over $19.75. We're going to need to close over that on a daily candle. As soon as we can kind of close over that level, then potentially we're going to have room to stretch into $20, $21, $22. Now we have to take a look at the bigger time frame. Let's look at something like the weekly time frame. Allow this to load up here. If we look at the weekly chart here, you can see we're still over the 5 and 10-day moving average. Now, I know a lot of people do not day trade DraftKings just due to the fact that it's not too volatile intraday, meaning it's not going to give you Tesla or Nvidia type moves. This is going to be more of a swing trade. It's going to be more of a buy and hold here. But if you're looking to kind of get in and pick your spots here, well, definitely the first spot came today right off this 1850, be up about a couple of quarters here on the overall play from bouncing it off this 10 and 5-day moving average on the weekly time frame. The next area that you're going to want to really see get taken out is going to be $19.61. That's the last week's high. Over $19.61 has potential to get to $21.50. That's going to be this upper Bollinger Band. It's also going to correlate with the top wicks here going back to February the 20th as well as February the 13th. Those 2 weeks here, we kind of came in there, acted as some heavy resistance. We kind of sold off for 4 weeks. Now we found support and we're starting to break up to the top side again. So again, if you're looking for an entry point on DraftKings, I'm going to wait for 1961 and then add some here with potential to maybe go $1, $2 over the next 1 month, right? Again, like I'm saying, with DraftKings, it's not going to move the fastest. Can it move 50 cents, 80 cents in a day? Of course it can. It can move $1. It can move $2 in a day if there's some news that drops. But you're going to have to give it some time. This is not a trade that you're going to be able to get into and kind of try to make your $1 to $2 in one session. If it happens, it happens. But again, that's not really how this stock is going to move. It's a longer play here. We're looking to play into 21. We're looking to get over 21, and any close over 21 has room to stretch into 23. Now, I will say that if we do start to fall and the overall market wants to kind of back test a little bit here, and we start to get below $18.15, then we would be looking at price levels of around $17 and around $15.91. Let's just call it $16. Those are the levels you're going to want to play on DraftKings. Again, as of right now, nothing has changed. As of right now, it does not look like the stock is going to go lower. It doesn't look like it's going to $10. It doesn't look like it's going to $13. However, anything can change. If we do start to close below these levels of support, then we definitely could come down here to around $15.90 or $16. But I'll make a new update video on that as it stands. If you guys are looking for a strategy, or you guys are looking to learn how to day trade or find these stocks that potentially could swing trade long and or short, definitely visit Evolution Traders, join the Discord. All of the information and the links are down in the description box below. You guys can get access to everything and start to trade with us on a day in and day out basis. What you need to know right now is technical analysis. You need to understand where potentially these stocks could be going if you want to try to make some money on this next run. But you also want to be prepared that if the market does turn and we don't continue to go to the high side, you want to be able to know how can you hedge your position, how can you make money when the stock is going down. You don't just have to make money in a bull run. You can definitely make money, a lot of money, when the stocks are pulling back into lower levels of support. That's just something I kind of want you guys to focus on and really understand. A lot of times, especially with the smaller names and especially with growth names and speculation names, everyone wants to be long. Everyone wants the stocks to go up. The reality of it is that not all stocks are going to go up on a day in and day out basis. So we have to be prepared for both sides. Again, I'll see you guys all in the next video. If you do want to trade with me, you want to get access to those strategies, you want to get access to one-on-one coaching, definitely join evolutiontraders.com, and I will see you guys all on the next side.